everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasons with Chin. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. Big up on yourself and bless up on yourself. I remember my backup channel, Trending Buzz Network. Please, me, I beg you to go over there. You understand? Subscribe to the channel and show the girl some support over there. You understand, girl? I try to build another platform. Yeah, because I don't want my main focus out here, upon just one specific thing. So I have another platform where I don't, news, reviews, current affairs, or trending topics, just a mixture. So for all who, in my comments, them I tell me, say, if you tap about them people here and tap God their yard because them tired of them. So I have one next channel over there, so open over there and support it. You understand? Make sure say over there and support it because I tell them people here, so may I give you something else. Alright, so I'll just go over there and watch the video them over there and boots up the girl. I don't know my love boots up out here. I don't know my love boots up out here. Me the queen of boots up. So I'll go over there and do the thing over there. You understand? Support the girl. Alright. We're getting into the people them business now. So my loves, me and Agnes Diane, I was sitting down there and we are whole little reason and I decide say, me feel like someone go church with foot, Feel like someone go church my foot, Agnes. And Agnes say, me too. I say, you want to take foot to Agnes? She say, yes. I say, you sure Agnes coming there? You follow me gonna wear anything reach you, cause anything reach you, and me get the blame. All when I feel your fault, and me get the blame, cause them I say, and me I dry you out of the Agnes, you sure you want to come? And Agnes say, yes. I say, all right then, nothing wrong with exercising. What evening, no rain, no fall. The time dry and nice. So why not go check out with social media neighbors and see what's going on in the neighborhood. Anyways, my love, when they walk, galang and a wave to the nice people, them always say the nice people, them we are wave to them. And we have so nice people over here in the neighborhood, we have so not so nice ones. So we walk, wave to the nice ones, them, and then not so nice ones, my love, we cut way here for them. Right, so my loves, I don't know what kind of breeze blow me and land me over blessing after flow, my loves. Come on, I figure blessings after flow, yard, my loves. I don't know what kind of breeze can me over there, but me end up over there. So my loves, go over there now, me book up one sign out of the gate now, we say. I know it was a matter of time before the little unfinished house and the little old truck that I got start mad out. The demons them on social media. I said, turn Agnes. Agnes turn, but then I worry could have cast all of this, Agnes. Since all right, yeah. And what me miss? Me, Agnes, where we miss, or our miss way, I don't know because this is so unaware. Anyways, my dear children, due to how my curiosity love people business, my curiosity wouldn't allow me to go my merry way, my loves. And me did I force myself to carry on and go about my business, my love, but my curiosity keep on I say chin turn back, chin go look. Go and go see our galang. So, my loves, sometimes my curiosity, can be very persistent, very, very persistent. So I say, all right. So I give in, my love, I give in. So me now, my love, Agnes, and my curiosity. We start scroll down on the page now, because I want to see our cause this guys, make sure say it couldn't just pop up out of the blue. So something have to trigger it. Don't, my love, don't it? So I start scrolling now, my loves, and I galang. So I go book up our another post down there. And the one day now, my loves, I say that she not trouble people. She only defend herself when people trouble her. No, why dirty people are trouble her? And that me see, my loves, I say Agnes, but it's so like I said, it's more serious than we thought. A good thing say, we did turn back, you understand? It's so like I said, more serious than we thought now. So my dear children, me say, me go turn over, blessings have to flow yard little bit and see. I want to see if I can get to the bottom of this. So me didn't know my loves. And me see one video now right beneath the post. So me say, me can touch it. I see I really a galangia. The touch when me touching on my loves and he start playing on me here. She a quarrel. I say, they report her zeal. She say, wicked dirty people report her zeal. And she don't want to judge nobody. You understand? She don't want to judge nobody. So she not go call no name. But she say, one strange somebody just, send one money to the zeal. And she said she not call this somebody name, but it look how weird for. She said that this somebody they never donate yet. And as she come now and donate, bam, the Zelle get report. So no money can come to the Zelle. Every money now come to the Zelle. It turn back, gone back to the people them. So I say, Then this here look a weird. Hmm? It's so now weird. Something fishy agalang, yeah man. Something fishy agalang. So me I said to Agnes, to you know me love. Something fishy agalang, Agnes. So instantly now my detectiveness within me, you know me love, start to kick in. I say, if you like I say, we got some work to do, man. Agnes, we got work to do. Something are going out here that we don't know have, so we have to go see if we can find the culprit. But when we did the listen now, me love, and I say now that you know she's suspect, as me see already say, I saw dirty Jamaicans when all live at Jamaica, they live up there foreign. So when she said that, you know, me kind of knit up me bro, you know, me loves and gone down in my thinking box now. I try to dig up the few Jamaicans, them we know out on the social media street here. We know they are Jamaica anymore, but them they upper foreign. I said, no man, so same time now you know me love somebody a come up. Somebody a come up. Then now when me go here, she said she no out here collect millions. She not collect millions, so she no know where them a text it pan her for. I say, yes, ma. I feel in a myself say a this specific individual, but I don't want judge her either. You know, my loves, I don't want judge either. Cause no know say me I work for me. We go through the pearly gates. You understand? And Mr. God say we not to judge anybody. So me say, before me even go say how the woman, me feel like I say, we fi go pay her a visit. You understand me, Agnes? Me feel like I say, we fi go pay her a visit. So me dear children, now me a Agnes and me curiosity left now. And we end up over Lor Lor yard. I say, Lor Lor, I don't know if it's you. I don't know if it's you, you know, Lor Lor, but are you for me detectiveness with inside of me? I pick up. And my rabbit ears antenna them, are you it a pick up? And them the antenna they fur up, you know, I love them, they fur up. Remember back in the days them when them used to tie on the antenna them with piece of wire, pan the tall bamboo them, and each them and pan the TV with one another piece of wire and put it out the door, and you have to out the spinny. If you get the signal pan the TV, yes, my love, them the type of antenna they me have right about now, and then pick up every and anywhere, and then pick up anybody. My antenna them, my love, never fail me. So like I said, my dear children, I land up over Lor Lor yard. So my love, they go and go over Lor Lor yard. No, my dear children, me go over, they go back up in our video where she address Anna. I say, hey, hey, this is clue number one. This is clue number one. So Lor Lor, you are a suspect, mama. Lor Lor, you are a suspect. Make her listen this here now if you see. If it is really you, Lor Lor. My love, me over there and hear she a talk about Anna now feeding the homeless. She said that Anna come on her live. I beg money for buy juice for give to the homeless them Sunday. So according to her, Anna already get money for buy food. And now Anna come back again, say she want money for buy juice and food boxes. So according to Lor Lor, she said that hurt her because Anna is thieving the people their money and she is scamming the people them because if Anna did genuinely love the homeless, she would have buy a 5 pound of sugar, couple tongue and one syrup or go look so civil orange, my love, and mix juice and give to the homeless them. She wouldn't out here and bother the people them again say she want money if buy juice for give the homeless them. That's how Lor Lor say now you know my loves. Right, my love, as she say, and if you get rainwater and put in a buckle up the rainwater and give it to the homeless them for drink. Anyways, now, my love, she did she talk until you know the speaker calling now, and you know the speaker now I share the same story where Lor Lor a speaker. You know, speaker now go against Lor Lor. So she is agreeing with Lor Lor. Them I say, and I know if you mix little sugar and water, add little tanga, syrup, or sour orange or something, give to the homeless, them and catch rainwater, buckle it and give it to the homeless. Then Lor Lor, no, my dear children, she went, no, they say that. The people them will live at Jamaica and have cash up and Zelle at Jamaica, them need to be reported. Them need to be reported. Far, them not supposed to have Zelle and them not supposed to have Cash App because they say they are scammers and they are thieves. So she's going to report them and people need to report them. Put a stop to it. So same time now me hear this number, me I say, oh, I never see smoke without fire. So Lor Lor, Lor Lor, are you? Lor Lor, are you? Lor Lor, you are the culprit. Oh, I see. So Lor, so imagine you're out here, day in, day out, day in, day out, night in, night out, and you're right then I go, and you're right then I come. So through your out here been riding down now for the past 6 years or so, you have done riding along like a little pony. And nobody now fought by you again. Nobody now pay no mind again because people tired of you coming out here with the same old. Every day, every night, are the same thing. Nothing not change. You don't have so much proof and so much evidence. Yet then are still out here walking free. So people now I realize you know just a bag them out. Uno just a chatter galanga and nothing back at it. So uno now I realize that people tired of uno get steal out. So you're going for your next target. So you know one target Anna. Anna the new target now. Cause then I'm paying no mind and nobody from over then I can't pay no mind again. Some of you know one supporter them nan pay no mind again. Then gone left uno behind them brush them tail and gone left uno. Cause them say uno all bark. Uno out here claims uno fight charity scamming and uno fight corruption. And all the fight uno out here a fight. Nothing. So uno turn pa Anna time. Same thing uno do with Erica. So nobody now pay no mind. So uno new target now Anna. Anna, after your time, my love. But Lor, me have a question for you, ask you. Lor, you're not tired. Hey, Lor, you're not tired. You hear anybody a holler out, Lor? Anybody a complain to you, Lor? Look how long Anna out here do our charity. If the people them didn't have any problem, them would have tapped donate. People do what they want to do with their money and no food, no. Why you don't have so much problems with people money? Why? Why the backside you make people money about that uno? Uno steal out now, Lor, man. Uno steal out now, man. A time for uno resign. A time for uno go sit down now. Throw in the towel. People them tear down now, man. Sure. People tear down now. But Lor, you have so much opinion and so much ideas, right? For listening to you, you want to sound like I say you could have do a better job. Like Joshua, you could have do a better job. Then Lor, the time you out here I criticize everybody. I criticize all of this man. Them well not all of them want to criticize who no want to criticize because some of them want no fat pan. If you talk about them, you not go get no forward. So you want to talk about people who can't get like a forward offer. But the time now, Lor, you are Madam Head Speak over there, Auntie Babu, no come out here criticize people all the time. Right? Why you not just start up phone a little thing? Start up phone a little thing, man, and can show us how it is done. Yeah. Make we see how you would angle it. Yeah, come on and say you out here do no little give back. No, you do no out here do no little give back. Yet you find fault with everybody. Everybody. So like how you so perfect, right? You don't got thief none, you don't trust on yourself, you don't got thief none, you don't got scam none, you don't got chop none. You don't come do a little thing out there, man, and just show how it is done. Show us how it is done. Yeah, man, show we how you would angle the people them money. But if you don't go do that, you just shut up. Enough for you know. Enough for no fling in the towel and shut up. Because all you know go do talk. Be a backing out here and nothing back of that. You know make we use name little grass now, man. We use one name grass. Too much on you know. Look how long you know fight corruption and scamming according to you know. Look how long you know been a fight. You know get anybody arrested yet? Anybody there walk house yet? You know the people them with their little 2 pence here penny man. If them want donate them money, make them donate them money and for them money and no phone no money. You don't think people are idiot out here? You know say all our vulnerable people are donate. You don't have any proof of that? You don't have any proof of that? But Lord, if I don't really go report the woman Zell, if I don't go really report the woman Zell, you know wicked. Because me sure so you don't see them homeless, them I get fed. Uno sister she a cook give them and she a feed them. So uno no do that now. Uno go stop the people them food. You now a prevent the homeless them from getting a meal. You understand? So if I really uno do it, or you set up somebody if you do it, uno are wicked. Because uno have no proof to back up for uno claims them. None whatsoever. So right then and there, so uno block the homeless them blessing. Uno block the homeless them blessing. You know what? Someone who have too much time for no hands out here, you know. Uno have too much time for no hands. Uno want to sit in the video. Uno want something for occupy uno time. Yeah, man, enough for uno no, man. Enough for uno. Nobody now pay uno no mind again with Dana and Erica. And because that are no only contents, uno can't touch nothing more. Because uno done broke uno audience them bad already. So any other topic uno touch them now go local. Them a go elsewhere, them now listen. So that's why now, you know them gone pa and I look at me here and I talk about unfinished house and chuck and sinting. So me no know. If I that trigger them because me here Lor Lor over there I said too. So I don't know if Annabelle house or buy new vehicle. I don't know because me not really fishy over blessing after flow. Yeah, they understand my love. I just want a little breeze blow me over there. I'm a land up over there, but I'm a land up over there. I'm a see that post there, so you know, my curiosity drag me to go fast. So me hear Anna now say she sell her nice vehicle where she did have. Yes, she said she sell her nice vehicle where she did have and buy one old truck. And that me hear she say my loves. But bad to bad though, we always see Anna do her little hustling. Always in some little hustling. Yeah man, we always see her work. So we can say, you know, she very ambitious. So when I go jump and say she out here scammer, out here thief, or what have you, me not have no proof, me no know. But for you try stop the homeless them food, that a cruelty because them a look forward for them little food. Whether it enough, or a little bit something still a go down in a them belly. It better than nothing. Because if people no look out for them not have no other source of getting it. So hungry I go KILL them. Yeah man, so Lor Lor, you know fi do better. You fi do better, Lor Lor. Enough for you now, man. Enough for you. Go find something for the Lor Lor. Find little something around your yard. Little knitting, Lor Lor. Do little crochet, little embroidery, some little something. Just find little something around the yard for occupy your time. Too much free time by your hand, man. I know out here what they say bullshit over and over every day, the same thing. So you fight corruption. So you fight corruption. Let's speaker she was supposed to know better. But speaker she just make Lor Lor have her like one little puppy pantring out here. Head speaker she just make Lor Lor have her like one little puppet out here. Shame on you head speaker man, shame on you head speaker. You have all person should have know better. Every day you come out, you contact about your education, how you're brilliant and how you're bright and you work with this and you have this and you have that. And you make Lor Lor have your dryer so like the little box juice truck where they used to make with coconut tick. Where isn't it? Where coconut bone tick. You don't know what the little tick they say in the coconut leaf, my love. Yes, then get the box drinks truck. You understand? And then board the hole and push it through, you know, and then get the back of cover and put it as the wheelies and type it's a crocus bag card pan it and drag it galang. And so Lor Lor have head speaker out here, you know, my love. So Lor Lor have head speaker out here like a little box juice truck them with the little boy them used to make back in the days. Me not tell no lie. I don't go look for yourself and see if I lie me I tell. Anyways, yeah, my love, me don't chat the people them business. Night I come down now and I do something if you carry Agnes before Rufus come, you understand? Yes, my love. So big up on yourself and bless upon yourself. And I will see you all in another video. All right. Peace out. Much love. See you later. Bye-bye.